Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace the wiper blades on your Toyota Innova vehicle. Mine is a 2013 model. I'm going to show you how you can do that on the front wipers as well as the rear wipers. Just excuse the mess. I know my vehicle is in need of a car wash. But anyway, before we proceed, I would just like to tell you that nobody taught me how to do this. Actually, even the owner's manual does not provide you an instruction on how to do this. So what do we do then? So I will share with you my approach, okay? The idea is, if they were able to put this together, there's always also a means to take this apart. And just look closely for locking tabs. Look all around the wiper. In this case, we have that here, you see? And if I will push that down, push this tab down, okay? Like so. I'll push that down, and then I will pull the entire wiper blade assembly down. Okay, you see? And then I can already take it apart. Now, assuming this is already the new wiper that you intend to use, just do the exact opposite, and it's even simpler. See? Like that. Now, push that down. Push the entire wiper blade, pull the entire wiper blade down, okay, and voila. It's the same for the shorter wiper, okay. You see this tab, push that down, pull the wiper blade down, and voila, you see. So I'll give you a closer look. You see that tab right there, and this is the tab of which you push it down with, okay. That tab right there locks into this hole, okay. So very easy. So assuming you're going to replace it with a wiper blade of the same design, installing it like so, okay, it's very easy, just like that, and then pull it up. That tab is going to lock in place, and that's that. But considering I'm going to replace it with a new wiper blade of a different design, I'll show you too. Okay, so this is the new wiper that I'm going to replace. This is just a cover for the wiper blade, okay. Now, if we look closely, if the locking tab for this wiper is underneath, okay, in this design, the locking tab is, hold on, focus, this one. So there's a recess there, and I will now install that there, pull it up. To lock it down, you just push this tab down. Very easy. It's the same for the shorter wiper blade. Let's take the cover off. Okay, slide that off. Sorry, using one hand. Pull the tab out. Insert that there, pull it up, lock it down, and that's that. See, very easy. Now for the rear wiper blade, like I've said, if there's a way to put it together, there's also a way to take it apart. And you see, if you look closely, there's that locking tab that holds this wiper down. Just twist it, see, and off it comes. So this is the new wiper blade. I'm going to open that up. Hold on. Let's confirm if they are the same, and do believe they are. Okay, so before we proceed, I would just like to show you the locking tab that holds the wiper in place, okay? And this is it. And the way that we're going to install this is just slide this in, okay, like so. And then you see that locking tab, push down, pull, okay, and that's that. Very easy. Okay, so this is my Pajero first gen. I might as well also show you how you can do that. This takes a different approach. You see, there's that hole, and the way you do this is just twist this up like so and pull it up. That's that. And you see that hole, you see that hole that's supposed to line up to this tab like so. And this is supposed to keep it in place, serving as a spring, okay. Hold on, focus, come on. Now just very easily slide it in, and then that tab is going to lock on this hole. See, that's that, very easy. Okay, so let's put our new wiper blades to the test. Okay, we'll check the rear. So question, when do you want to replace your wiper blade? Well, basically if your wiper is no longer wiping the liquid off, instead of just wiping it off, it just smears it all over your windscreen, and in so doing blocks or obstructs your view. So it's time to replace your wiper blade. So anyway, I do believe that's it. The technique that I've shown you is more or less applicable in all types of vehicle. Like I've said, if there's a way to put it together, there's a way to take it apart. So it's more or less applicable in all types of vehicle. Just don't overdo it. Just look closely. There's a way to unlock it and lock it. Okay, so if you found this video informative, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.